Once upon a time, there was a young shepherd boy who lived in a village near a forest. Every day, he took his sheep up a hill to graze. The boy often felt bored and lonely while watching the sheep. One day, he got an idea to have some fun. He suddenly shouted loudly, "Wolf, wolf! A wolf is attacking my sheep." Hearing his cries, the villagers quickly ran up the hill to help him. But when they arrived, they found no wolf at all. The boy laughed and said, "I tricked you. There is no wolf." The villagers were angry and went back to the village. The next day, the boy did the same thing again. "Wolf, wolf!" He shouted. Once again, the villagers rushed to help, but again, there was no wolf. The boy laughed even harder. Now the villagers were very upset. "Don't lie again," they warned him. "Next time, we may not come." A few days later, something terrible happened. A real wolf came out of the forest and started attacking the sheep. The boy became very scared and shouted as loud as he could, "Wolf, wolf, please help. This time it's real." But this time, the villagers thought he was lying again. "No, he is just playing another trick." They said that, so no one came to help him. The wolf attacked the sheep and ran away. The boy sat on the hill, crying. He had lost his sheep because of his lies. From that day on, he learned a painful lesson. Even when he told the truth, no one believed him. Moral: never tell lies. If you lie again and again, people will stop trusting you even when you tell the truth.